Hey everybody, thanks. I'm here with Mike Ciaccia with Motorola, Avigilon. Mike, what's your title?
Director of Enterprise Access and Technology Alliances, Jeremy.
That's why I had you say it, because I was not going to remember that. So Motorola has a couple of different access control platforms. You have Unity and you have Alta.
Yep.
And today, right now, we're standing in front of the Alta platform. So can you tell the difference, tell the audience what the difference is?
Yeah.
What's Unity, what's Alta?
Yeah, so right now we're standing in front of Alta Access, which is our cloud-based access control. It's hosted in AWS. It's got a bunch of different features in it. Similar to, like, we have intrusion, we have protect, we have mailroom, we have video, we have visitor, all inside of it, and it all is one little ecosystem that you just open up different apps inside of together. Unity is our on-prem solution that encompasses Unity Video and Unity Access.
What type of customer would this apply to? Is it enterprise? Is it small, medium business? Both?
It can really fit to whatever the customer wants to do. So if you have a large customer with a big HQ and they need on-prem but they have small satellite offices, Alta's perfect for it. For those customers that don't have anything right now and they want to go cloud or they want to deviate from having on-prem physical boxes, Alta's a perfect fit for it. So it can work in a multitude of different access locations, if you will, or environments.
And what are we looking at here? This is the main dashboard, main interface?
Yeah, so this is one of our activity dashboards where it just basically talks about what's happening with cards being denied or unlocked.
Because yeah, you're getting your events down there coming in?
Yep, we have an entry one in here that's going to tell and show the status of the doors and who went through last. You know, as we go through the alarms, we have a different alarm one. We have a mapping one. It talks about the different maps. We have one for devices. And what you'll get inside of these things is you'll also get the ability to have a booth layout like this, but you're getting the feed. So this is the video feed from Alta Video showing where people are surrounding our booth and everything. And then you have the different doors right here that you can just click on and grant access to.
And all of that's going through the cloud. So you're here, you're going out to AWS.
That's correct.
Back to the controller. What kind of controllers?
So we make our own controllers, but we also primarily use Mercury as well.
Yeah, you've been a great Mercury partner, and it's the MP that you're supporting now today?
So we support the LP and the MP on Alta.
Okay.
So we also support the red downstream SIOs. On the Unity side, we support everything all the way back to SCPs, EPs, LPs, and MPs. One of the big things that we actually just came out with recently was a Mercury upgrade program. A program to actually take away SCPs or EPs or pretty much any green downstream boards, including the MS bridge boards and the M5 bridge boards, and allow us to convert them at a lower cost. Because we want people to be on the newer technology, especially if they want to use Alta, because you have to be on an MP controller, an LP controller, right? Or even on Unity side, because we want to give people that cybersecurity aspect.
I think the cyber piece is what's really critical to that, because the older EP controllers aren't going to support the latest and greatest in TLS, and it doesn't support OSTP secure channel and all the things that you would want to be really secure. And your program that you have enables customers to make that migration. I love the program that you have, it's amazing.
Yeah, so the program, it was something that we thought of that just said, hey, we don't support TLS 1.1 anymore on Unity because it's so vulnerable, and we'd never supported the green boards on Alta. So we said, how do we get customers to migrate away from that, to come into our ecosystem, but then not have to pay an arm and a leg to do it? So we came up with a program that it's 50% off any MP controller or red downstream board if you're trading in a green one. Now, we don't physically need the boards back. We expect the partners or the end users to destroy them so they're not out there in use. We do track some serial numbers so we make sure they're not out there, but the 50% is huge.
50% is huge. Yeah. So you basically get a brand new controller for half the cost.
Half the cost with a 3-year warranty with all the latest and greatest in cybersecurity.
That's amazing. So I see the interface, it feels very modern.
It's very mobile friendly, right? There's the dark mode, there's a theme for basically whatever your theme is on your laptop or your computer, but everything we do is mobile friendly. So everything that you can do here, you can do on any type of device, an iPad, an Android device, iOS device is still gonna work. And then we're mobile first with our apps, right? So we have a whole app marketplace here.
Okay.
And in the app marketplace, it has a whole bunch of different things in here that you can see with, one card sign-ins, a whole bunch of stuff down here for visitor management and different middleware, like Broxus is one of the ones that we're talking about these days with destination dispatch and everything. But then also the different video managements that we can bring into this.
So it's not just Alta Video, it's an open platform. For customers that don't know, do they go Unity, do they go Alta? Where's the differentiation? How do you guide your customers in one way or the other?
So the questions we would ask are you guys using any wireless locks, right? If they use the Asa Abloy wireless locks right now, the primary role would be let's push them towards Unity. If they're using Wi-Fi or PoE locks, we'll push them towards Unity because those can scale a little bit more exponentially. Cloud is still price conscious to some people, right? A lot of people are saying, hey, it's going to take servers off my network, save me IT staff, so that's going to make sense. But really for us, it comes down to what does the customer want, right? What's the customer's need? If the customer wants an on-prem solution because they don't want to pay a recurring fee, no problem, we have that solution. If the customer's like, I don't want anything physically on my site except for some controllers, we have that as well. Okay. So really, we like to meet the customer where they stand and let them dictate to us what their needs are. We go in, we ask a bunch of questions, we get the information back. Once we have that information, we may push them to one way or the other, right? And lead them and say this may be the best solution for you, but we're never going to walk in and just say this is what we're selling, this is what you need to buy.
You give them choice, right? It's the whole Mercury philosophy. You have options, you have choice. You can pick what works for you. You can migrate from one to the other if what you started with changes, the needs change. Can we talk about mobile a little bit? So you have a nice HID signal reader there.
Yes.
And Motorola, Avigilon, you work with HID mobile credentials.
That's correct, yep. And we do the HID Origo for mobile credentials natively in Unity. You can actually issue those out. And then something that we just came out with recently is we just got certified with a HID Origo bridge to be able to integrate and do wallet credentials, which is going to be huge for us on the Unity side.
Yeah, that speeds up the process, the go-to-market. It enables customers to move a lot faster. So
it does,
bridge is a big thing.
It does, and it's also it's a better step than mobile, right? With some of the things that people are looking for, we're getting a lot of people saying, "Hey, why is it not in my wallet? It's just easier. It's an easier deployment. I know it's there. I just walk up, I hold it up. As you can see, if I hold it up, it opens up my wallet credential right there, and it's popping up in the system and letting me know I got denied."
That was actually super fast. So
it is super fast.
Can you do that again?
Yeah.
So swipe and watch how fast the new event comes in. But that's trade show floor, out to the cloud, back and into the software. That's
none of the software is here. It's all hosted in AWS. Controller just connected to one of our network switches, hitting the internet, good to go.
Cool. So I guess I'll say this. If you're an end user and you're looking for a new platform, I think Alta is a great choice, supports Mercury. Unity could be a great choice if you need on-prem. But you should check out Motorola and Avigilon and what they're doing. They're doing a ton of great work. I mean, look at the interface. It's modern, slick, cutting edge, and then everything else that the business brings with Pelco and all the other brands that you have. It's really a full package that gives customers a ton of options.